At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a credit card processing company can be complex due to regulatory requirements, technological infrastructure, and competition. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the credit card processing industry, including its trends, regulations, and key players. Identify your target market and niche. Determine whether you'll focus on small businesses, e-commerce, high-risk merchants, etc. Conduct market research to understand the demand and competition in your chosen niche. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business model, revenue streams, pricing structure, and projected financials. Detail your marketing and sales strategy, including how you'll acquire merchants. Consider the technology and infrastructure needed to support your operations. 3. Legal and regulatory compliance. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. This typically involves registering as a payment facilitator or payment service provider. Comply with industry regulations such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, and relevant laws like the Dodd-Frank Act. Establish procedures for anti-money laundering, AML, and know your customer, KYC, compliance. 4. Secure partnerships. Partner with acquiring banks or payment service providers, PSPs, that will process transactions on your behalf. Establish relationships with card networks like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Consider partnering with software providers or building your own technology platform for processing transactions. 5. Technology infrastructure. Invest in robust payment processing technology, including hardware and software for handling transactions securely. Ensure your systems are compliant with industry standards for security and data protection. Implement fraud prevention measures to protect merchants and cardholders. 6. Sales and marketing. Develop a sales strategy to attract merchants. Consider offering competitive pricing, personalized service, or value-added services. Invest in marketing efforts to raise awareness of your brand and attract potential clients. This may include online advertising, content marketing, and networking within relevant industry associations. 7. Customer support and service. Provide excellent customer support to merchants, offering assistance with account setup, technical issues, and any other concerns. Establish clear communication channels for merchants to reach your support team, such as phone, email, and live chat. 8. Scale and grow. Continuously evaluate and improve your services based on feedback from merchants and industry trends. Explore opportunities for expansion into new markets or offering additional services, such as international payment processing or value-added tools for merchants. Starting a credit card processing company requires careful planning, compliance with regulations, and investment in technology and partnerships. While it can be a lucrative business, success often depends on providing reliable service, competitive pricing, and excellent customer support. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.